first met, you lifted me out of the dark, fell right into your arms. I was blind for what was wrong, but I didn't know that you were driving over a cliff with the brakes nowhere to be found. And I didn't know that you were a grenade with the pin already out. And I know that I was wrong, 'cause my family had warned me that you were a control freak. But I was loving all of it. Oh, nothing's as fun as you haven't even tried. Nothing's as sweet as the taste of your life. No one is better than you and your vibe. You're the only one that I actually like. You're out of your head and I'm out of my mind, drawing on purpose outside of the lines. And you wanna know why I can't let you go. When we first met, you lifted me out of the dark, fell right into your arms. I was blind for what was wrong. No. I finally knew what I wanted, for us to sit on our white porch and watch the birds fly away. Although it wasn't much, it's all we've longed for. Who knew that it would all just fade away? I wish that I had treated you differently, like the way I had with my loved ones. Now I know that things have changed between us. I hope you know that I was in the wrong. And now I am fighting sleep, 'cause when I close my eyes I see you in my dreams. And I don't want to repeat the same circle of us crawling back to meet, us crawling back to meet. I tried to move on, but it was hard, harder than I ever thought it was. The things I knew had changed, and nothing seemed arranged. They said that it's freedom, but I've cased myself in. And now I'm fighting sleep, 'cause when I close my eyes I see you in my dreams. And I don't want to repeat the same circle of us crawling back to meet, us crawling back to meet. Yeah, you are the one that was on my mind, the one that would always choose my side. I took it for granted, let you slip through my hands, and now I stand. alone. Not alone. Now I'm fighting sleep. 'Cause when I close my eyes, I see you in my dreams. And I don't want to repeat the same circle of us crawling back to meet us.